Hello everybody, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a profile picture like I did. So, here's the way my profile picture looks. It's pretty neat. It looks like this, and I can teach you how to do it. So, first, you want to go onto a Google website, pixlr.com, no E. So yeah, then click try Pixlr. And you can see what you did if you ever used it. Then click on create new and make sure it's 800 by 800. Then you can change the name to like profile picture 2019. Okay, then click create and you'll have this. Also when it says colors, it says like background and then it's on and off, keep it off. Okay, so this will make it automatically just transparent. Okay, so then click new tab and then click, and write mascot profile picture. Okay, then images, and you can find all these. So if you want an animal, just search up the animal you want. Let's see, what animal can I use? I'm gonna search up dragon. So here are like some dragons that we can use. You can pick out any dragon or like any animal you want. So let's see, what can I use? I'm gonna use this dude. Actually, no, not really. He has like the weird outlines. So I'm gonna use this guy. He looks pretty sick. Then you gotta click save image as. Go to download and then name him however you want. Let's say I'm gonna name him Bill. Okay. So then go back to Pixlr. Click on this thing right here. Browse. And you'll see Bill. So then just drag him. Good for us. This can fit perfectly, so we can just wait there. Make sure it fits perfectly, and if it doesn't, then just keep on dragging it. Remember, the more you drag it, the worse quality it's gonna look. So, next, to add the text, click on this thing right here. Then you can edit the text in the font. For fonts, I don't really have any suggestions. For me, I don't remember what font I used, but for this video, for logos, you gotta use a pretty bold font. So like, let's see, what font can I use? Like this one, Emery. Looks pretty sick. So then I'm gonna write Sam. Now I'm gonna make it all capitalized because that makes it look way cooler. Then make the color close to like one of the colors from your mascot. Mine is white already, so it's kind of perfect. That wasn't meant to be racist, but okay. So then make the size like pretty big to match your mascot. Put it on top, click on outline, and you can outline it. Then you can click on color and change it to black. You could also make the outline like fat. I usually use like around 6 because that makes it look good. And when you do that, then you can add a shadow, but don't, because that'll just make it look way worse. Like, see, so just don't add a shadow. You can put it at the top, bottom, anywhere. In my case, I put it at the bottom. So yeah, if you want to make a custom like background, you could do that. Oh wait, my outline didn't save, and of course I put a shadow on. So yeah, if you want to add a custom background, I can show you how to do that. Click on the dragon guy, click on crop, click on the magic tool, and do that. Then you can search up like, let's say cool background 80 by 800 by 800. Then you have like all of these. Yeah. So like, let's see what we use. Try making it like something cool. Like I'm gonna use this. Then go back. Click on like you did before. And find it. Put it. And drag it at the very bottom. So it looks something like that. Well, I mean, okay, I don't really like the way this looks. So like, make it something like bubble background. You can make it any size you want. Like, let's say this looks cool. I can do this, save, pixeler, browse, and where's the bubble background now? Bubble background, bubble, 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 bubble. There you go. Put it at the very bottom. Then you could just straight up do this, and you got it. Usually what I would do for a background is I would make fading, facing, fading, background, like that. Purple to black. Then you have all these fascinating choices. Like, okay then. It looks super cool. This one looks amazing. Save. Then, like, do whatever you want. Like, pick any background that you think looks cool. You can do whatever you want with the background. You can even make your own. Like, okay, I'm not good at making backgrounds, so don't expect me to make a tutorial. But how about if we hit 20 likes on this video, I'll make a tutorial about thumbnails. I'm not that good, but I mean, 20 likes and then sure. I mean, you see, since the background is black at the bottom, it makes it look cool. So there, that's how you do it. Also, if you can comment down what animal you want, plus what do you want on the animal as the name, and I can make you a design. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Hope this was helpful. Bye.